If your lip liner keeps making your lips look smaller, it's not your lips, it's the map you're drawing. Stay with me for a minute, because once you hear this, your lip game changes today. Here's the twist. The more you outline, the smaller your lips can look. Why? Hard edges compress volume. A sharp, dark ring tells the eye, stop here. And your lips, visually, stop. So let's fix it. Step 1. Soften the shape you start with. Instead of tracing the entire border, I dot the liner at 3 anchor points. Left Cupid's bow peak. Right Cupid's bow peak. Center of the bottom lip. Think, connect the dots, not coloring book outline. Step 2. Switch your shade. If your liner is deeper than your lip by more than 1 shade, it reads like a fence. Go for a neutral liner that matches your natural lip or your lipstick. 1 tone deeper, max. Step 3. Blur before you build. I sketch tiny strokes just outside the top center, only where you want fullness. Then I smudge inward with a fingertip, or a cotton swab. No hard line. Soft haze, instant pillow. Here's a quick test. Say, relax, and look straight ahead. If you see a dark ring, you just shrank your lips. Tap it out with a clean brush, then reapply lightly. Common mistakes shrinking your lips. Overlining the corners. Corners are where width goes to die. Keep liner on your natural line at the corners. Only nudge the center. Lining after matte lipstick. That creates skid marks. Do liner first on dry, balm-free lips, or over the thinnest whisper of foundation to grip. Skipping contour balance. A bold Cupid's bow with a flat bottom lip looks smaller overall. Mirror the curve. A tiny lift on top, a tiny lift dead center bottom. My 30-second routine. 1. Blot lips. No balm. 1. Dot liner at Cupid's peaks. 1. Dot liner at bottom center. 1. Feather short strokes toward the middle. Don't touch the corners. 1. Press lips together to blur. 1. Fill with a creamy lipstick that matches the liner. 1. Add a whisper of highlight above the Cupid's bow, not on it. 1. Optional. A clear gloss only in the center to bounce light. Curious hack you haven't tried. Reverse lining. Take a tiny bit of concealer on a flat brush and clean just outside the edges at the corners only. That erases shadow, makes the corners recede, and your center pops. No overdraw needed. Another quick win, tilt the pencil. Use the side of the tip, not the point. Side equals soft gradient, point equals hard border. If your top lip vanishes when you smile, stop chasing the bow. Build fullness on the lower lip center with a gentle overline. Keep the top lip on the natural line. Then gloss the bottom center. Your smile looks fuller without looking painted on. And the biggest secret? Blend outward, not upward. When you smudge, fade the liner slightly onto the skin right above the lip in the center. Microscopic. That creates a soft shadow that reads like volume, not a ring. Try this today. Remove your liner, face a window, and do the dot blur method with a shade just 1 step deeper than your lips. Then look from 3 feet away. Bigger, softer, natural. Your lip liner isn't the enemy. The outline is. Soften the map, spotlight the center, and let the volume do the talking. I promise, once you stop drawing borders, your lips stop looking small.